What is the beauty of nature? Sprouting of seed, blooming of buds, fragrance of flowers, overwhelming pleasure. This is the beauty of nature. In this universe, every masculine and every feminine made for each other. This is the beauty of nature. Spring, summer, rainy, winter, autumn. Seasons comes after one another. This is the beauty of nature. Waterfall fountains, peaceful lakes, snowy mountains, barren desert. This is the beauty of nature. Frog, spider, snake, ant, hopper, birds, millions of creatures with different feature. This is the beauty of nature.